The following words were first uttered by Mere Ngaroto of Te Aupauri. Unuhia te rito o te harakeke. Kei hea te kōmako e kō. Whakatairangitia, rere ki uta, rere ki tai. Ui mai ki au. Heaha te mea nui o te ao. Māku e ki atu, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. If you remove the centre shoot of flax, where will the bellbird be? It will mill around, it will fly inland and fly out to sea. Should you ask, what is the greatest thing in the world? I will respond by saying, it is people, it is people, it is people. Today, I offer my interpretation of these words, which I see daily hanging at Māori Television. Whakataukī, or proverbs, are very poetic and draw on metaphors to capture a life lesson. This whakataukī is fitting for today's ceremony as we celebrate you, the graduates. Fundamentally, you have spent a number of years dedicating your life to learning more about what it means to be human, to feel, to express, to design, to create, to compose, to heal, to write, to teach, to protect, to connect, and contribute to the lives and well-being of people, o te hunga tangata. As tangata, as people, our actions have a profound impact on the environment in which we live, and the beings with whom we share this world with, such as the kōmako, the bellbird mentioned in this whakataukī. The bellbird that feeds on the nectar of the rito, the centre shoot of harakeke, the flax plant. Without the nectar of the rito to feed on, we won't hear the melodious song of the kōmako. It reminds us that we do not live in isolation from the environment. And as this phase in your studies ends, please be sure to take care of the world in which we live. Environmental issues are human issues. The harakeke, the flax, in which this metaphor talks about, is a metaphor for whānau, family and community. You're part of the wider community here at Te Kunenga ki Pūrehurua at Massey. And so today, you have your extended pāharakeke, your loved ones, who provided the motivation, who made sure you handed in your assignments in time, or whose fault it was that you were out partying the night before. Essentially, what is important as you graduate today is people. It's those who've helped you through the adversities you've overcome to walk across this stage today. And it's the people who will support you through the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead of you, of which there will be many. Remembering that learning is a lifelong enterprise with numerous pathways and constant changes. I recall my first year here at Massey. There was no Facebook, no YouTube, and no Instagram. There was even no Māori Television. Now, after this, we will all post selfies to our stories, then watch Māori TV on our smartphones and tablets. As a last note, e hoama, koutou e whakaputahi ana. Be excited by what you do, what you are creating, and be excited by who you are with. If you enjoy what you do, if it sparks that fire of passion, if you feel it is valuable and makes a contribution to your whānau, your iwi, your community, the pāharakeke of Aotearoa, New Zealand, as a nation, we will all be richer for it. You are now graduates of Te Kunenga ki Pūrehurua of Massey University. Congratulations. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.